When we asked what kind of recipes you'd like to see more of, hearty one-pot dinners were a hands-down favorite. So guess what? This year, you'll be seeing lots and lots of dinners that are easy, comforting, and made in one pot. Today, we're starting with a braised Mediterranean pot roast that is to die for. We start by heating some oil in a Dutch oven or soup pot. Once the oil's hot, we sear a chuck roast on all sides. Then we add a couple of chopped onions, some celery, and a load of garlic. After we saute this for a few minutes, we add some Italian-style stewed tomatoes, a good amount of red wine, a handful of chopped parsley, and a bunch of spices. Once it comes to a boil, we lower the heat and let it cook covered until the meat is fork tender. Now, this takes a bit of time. Even though the stovetop does all the work, you may want to make this over the weekend and simply warm it up after a long, hard day. When I first tried this, it was love at first bite. The flavor was rich, yet not overpowering, and the meat practically melted in my mouth. To get the recipe for our braised Mediterranean beef, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a one-pot easy way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.